truly amazing. Oh, stop grabbing my face. Yeah. That's how it feels, guys. The mask is just tightening on my skin. Ooh, yeah, just tightening on my skin like that. Alright, I'm having too much fun. Alright, so I'm gonna just chill. I'm just gonna sit with this for another few. Everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Large pores, sagging skin, sagging jawline, wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. These are some of the issues that we tend to struggle with as soon as we're starting to get a little older. A lot of these little minor skin issues, they start to just popped up out of nowhere. One morning you get up and you notice that you have wrinkles and fine lines. Another morning you wake up and guess what? You notice some large pores on your nose or even on the side of your face. And guess what? Before you know it, you have sagging jawline, you have wrinkles under your eyes, and you name it. All of this is the aging process. However, there are things that we can do to roll these signs back. There are things that we could do to stop the aging process in its track. Now, I am going to show you what you can do by sharing this wonderful tightening facial mask with you. This facial mask is just going to grab that skin, tighten it up, get rid of, shrink those large pores, fight the wrinkles and fine lines, tighten the sagging skin, hydrates the skin, moisturize the skin, and have you looking years younger. Your face is looking amazing in just a couple of weeks. So if you're interested in today's video, continue watching. Now take a look what I have here for you. This is coffee beans, unflavored coffee beans. Now coffee helps to do a lot of things for your skin. It helps to reduce the appearance of cellulite. It helps to tighten that skin. It helps to boost collagen in the skin. It helps to dilate blood vessels beneath the skin, improving the overflow of blood, causing your skin to boost the collagen production. It also helps to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, but more so, coffee helps to have your skin just looking fresh and radiant. Now what I'm going to do with this coffee beans, I'm going to blend it to a powder. So I'm going to blend about a quarter cup of coffee beans. And take a look at this. You want to make sure that it's blended to a powder form. Let's pour this in. And you can actually blend this coffee and keep it in your refrigerator in an airtight container for about 6 months, okay? Now let's put this aside and we're going to move on to the next ingredient. And here we have our next ingredient. And this is actually clay, known as a fuller's earth. It will help to tighten the skin. It will help to shrink the pores. It will just help to lift that skin, and it will leave your skin soft and supple also. Our next ingredient is rose water. If you do not have rose water and you have rose petal or rose powder, go ahead and use that. Very hydrating to your skin. Lock the moisture, refresh the skin, and have your skin feeling wonderful. Now our final ingredient is lemon, and lemon is loaded with vitamin C. Lemon will help to lighten and brighten the skin. The lemon zest also have lemon oil, which is nourishing to your skin. Now to begin, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to zest the lemon. And to zest the lemon, you need a grater. And what you're going to do, you're just going to rub the lemon on the grater like I'm showing here. And you do not need a lot. A little goes a long way. And here we have our lemon zest. So now let's recap the ingredient. We have some lemon zest and some lemon. We have some blended coffee beans. And we also have some rose water, and we have some fuller's earth. You can use any form of a clay you have, okay? Now the fuller's earth is very absorbing, so you do not need a lot. 1 tablespoon of fuller's earth, 15 ml. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of the blended coffee powder. And before we move on, we're going to mix the dry ingredients. So just blend the fuller's earth and the coffee powder together. Make sure to get rid of any lumps that you might have. Blend well. And this should be good. This has a really wonderful fragrance. And next, we're moving on to the lemon zest. And we're only using about a half of a teaspoon of the lemon zest. And we're putting that in. We're going to mix it in. And for our lemon, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice. Just squeeze it in, a tablespoon. If you have lime, you can also use it in this recipe, both the lime juice and the lime zest. Pour our lemon juice in. And next we're going to reach for the rose water. And to begin, we are using 1 tablespoon of rose water. Pour that in, and then we are going to blend well. Now remember that the fuller's earth is very absorbing, so if you find it a little watery, do not add any more liquid, because within a few minutes or so, the fuller's earth is going to soak up that water, okay? Now if you have dry skin, you can choose to add a little bit of a coconut oil, not a lot, just about a half a teaspoon of coconut oil. And here it is, guys. Take a look at this. This is your facial mask for tightening and firming the skin, lifting and toning the skin for those sagging neck, sagging jawline, okay? Face, neck, and décolleté. And now that this is ready, I'm going to go on the other side and I'm going to show you how to use this on your skin for best result. Look at this. Now I like to apply this with my hands because I use this mask both as a facial scrub and as a facial mask. Always start with clean skin, so wash your face before. Because this mask do have some form of exfoliating properties, you do not need to exfoliate before. So I'm just going to be generous with this mask. Put it in my hands like this. And first, I'm going to exfoliate the skin. Circular motion. And the granules in this are amazing. You can definitely feel the effect of this on the skin. Now do not let this facial mask get in your eyes, okay? If you have a lot of blackheads and whitehead, pay attention to your nose, your laugh lines. Just exfoliate. Now you want to exfoliate for about a minute or so. And please be quick with it because this mask do have drying properties that's going to dry really fast on your skin. Now after exfoliating, just leave it like that. Sit with it for at least 30 minutes. However, for me, I like to just pack on a little more of the facial mask on my face. Just pack it on and you can see the difference. Upper lips. Forehead. Do not let this mask get in your eyes. way too much granules from the coffee. Now once the mask, as I said earlier, is on your face, just sit with it for at least 30 minutes. Okay guys, I've been sitting with this on my skin for about 15 minutes or so, and you could see that the mask is drying. Check the edges out, really dry. And look at these parts, when you touch them it is dry. I said, oh wow, these areas are dry also. Oh wow, amazing. All right, look at that. This little part right here. This is so good. Now I'm feeling my skin like really tight, like you could feel it, but look at that. I'm already looking radiant, guys, and this is like a no joke. I just love this. This is so amazing. Oh, look. All right, so this is the little part that I patch last, and you can see this is not as dry as the rest. So I'm gonna sit with this for another 20 to 25 minutes or so. Now I am back, and it has been a little over 50 minutes, and take a look. This is what it looks like. Very tight. Ooh, amazing. Amazing. It's like I don't want to wash it off, for real, for real. Anyway, let's come up close, guys, for you to see this. That's the effect. Look at check my upper lips. I can only move it. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. For those of you with sagging jawline, definitely pack this on. It is amazing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna rinse off. I don't want to rinse off, but I'm gonna rinse off, and I will be back with the result. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, share the video, and leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And give the mask a try and come back and leave another comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Happy masking.